The PM Surya Ghar Free Electricity Scheme is one of the welfare programs that are implemented by the Indian government intended to help 1 crore families. This scheme not only helps people eliminate their electricity bills but also provides an opportunity to earn extra income. With over 10 lakh beneficiaries already taking advantage of the program, many more are looking to apply and reap its benefits. What is the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? The government provides financial assistance for the installation of solar power systems on residential roofs under this program. The following is the subsidy system. 60% subsidy for systems up to 2 kilowatt capacity, 40% additional subsidy for systems between 2 to 3 kW capacity. The subsidy is capped at 3 kW. By installing solar panels, households can generate their electricity, thereby reducing their dependency on the grid and cutting down their electricity bills to zero. Earn 50,000 per month with solar panels. One of the biggest benefits of this scheme is the opportunity to make money by selling surplus power. If anyone generates more electricity than home consumption, extra power can be sold back to the government. For example, if a house installs a 20 kW solar panel system and produces 100 units of electricity daily, selling power for rupees 5 per unit can generate up to rupees 50,000 per month. It not only takes an energy-saving initiative for this scheme but also provides an income generation opportunity. Who can apply? To be eligible for the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, applicants must meet the following criteria. Must be an Indian citizen, should own a house with a suitable rooftop for solar panel installation, must have a valid electricity connection, should not be availing of other solar subsidies from the government. How to apply? If you want to apply for this scheme, follow these steps. Register on the National Solar Portal, visit the official website and sign up. Select your state and electricity provider, enter details about your state and power distribution company. Use the benefit calculator. The portal provides information on system size, subsidy amount, and potential savings. Choose a solar vendor, select a verified vendor and preferred solar unit brand for installation. Install and verify. Once installed, submit document for subsidy approval. Why should you apply? Zero electricity bill, reduce your monthly expenses significantly, earn passive income, sell extra electricity and make up to 15% per month. Environment friendly, reduce carbon footprint with renewable energy, government backed, hassle free subsidy and financial support. With rising electricity costs, the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana is a golden opportunity for homeowners to save money and earn additional income. If you have a suitable rooftop and meet the eligibility criteria, why not take advantage of this scheme today? Apply now and turn your home into a power generating hub.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.